Okay, who wants to retell the story about the myth of Maling Kundang? Siapa yang mau? Basti Valda, do you want to be the person? Basti Valda. Halo, Basti Valda. Dengar suara saya? Mbak Ajeng, dengar suara saya nggak, Mbak Ajeng? Halo?
Dengar, Om.
Mbak Ajeng, do you want to be the person to retell Maling Kundang?
Yes, Mom.
Yeah, turn on camera, please. Are you
Sudah.
at home? Are you at
I
home?
want to go to campus.
Want to go to campus?
Yes.
Your English lecturer?
What, Mom?
Do you want to meet with your English lecturer there? Mau ketemu dosen bahasa Inggris?
Gimana? Saya nggak terlalu dengar, Mom. Yes, I have a offline class
Offline
for the
class?
grammar class. Yes.
Oh, Bu Ambar.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Bu Ambar is now the same location with me. Ini sudah update samping saya. Okay, please.
Yes.
Mbak Ajeng Tia Rosita.
Yes. The myth of Malin Kundang. Once upon a time, in a small village near the beach in West Sumatra, lived a woman and her son, Malin Kundang. And Malin Kundang's father had passed away when he was a baby, and he had to live hard with his mother. Malin Kundang was a healthy, diligent, and strong child. He usually went to the sea to catch fish and brought it to his mother or sold it in the town. One day, when Malin Kundang was saying usual, he saw a merchant ship which was being raided by a small band of pirates, which his brave and power Malin Kundang defeated the pirates. The merchant was happy and asked Malin Kundang to sail with him, and Malin Kundang agreed. Many years, a wealthy merchant with a huge ship, lots of the 20 boats and many ship crews and a beautiful wife. In his journey, his ship landed on a beach. The villagers recognized him, and the news ran fast in the town. Malin Kundang, and now he in deep full sadness after years of the loneliness ran to. When the mother came, Malin Kundang in front of his well-dressed wife, his crews and his own closeness tonight to meet that old, poor and dirty woman. For 3 times she begged Malin Kundang, and for 3 times he asked Malin Kundang said to her, "Enough, old woman, I like you, a dirty and ugly person." Then he ordered his crews to that on if he didn't apologize. Malin Kundang just laughed and set the sail. In the quick sea, suddenly a thunderstorm came. His huge ship was rigged and it was too late for Malin Kundang to apologize it. He was thrown by the wave out of his ship and fell on a small island and suddenly turned into the storm. Mom.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Rosita. Next
Yes.
will be the next one.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom.
Kenapa? Mbak Salma.
Yes, ma'am.
Mbak Salma want to retell right now. Ini nanti kelasnya yang offline jam berapa? Yang offline?
Jam 1:30. Saya dari pagi, jadi 1 jam perjalanan.
Oh, kalau mau ini ke kampus nggak apa-apa. Gitu.
Yes, thank you, Mom.
Kan sudah. Offline aja ya, maksudnya pengen ini ya, tetap on ya, tetap. Mbak Ajeng ini, Mbak Salmanya yang on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
A
Ayo.
bit of Malin. Once upon a time, in a small village near the coast in West Sumatra, there lived a woman and her son, namely Malingkundan and his mother. Malingkundang's father had passed away when he was a baby. And Malingkundang usually goes to the sea to catch fish, and after the fish are given to their mother or sold to the town. One day, when Malingkundang was sailing, he saw a merchant ship being robbed by a group of pirates. He also helped and managed to defeat the pirates. As a reward for helping the rich merchant, Malingkundang was invited to sail with him, and Malingkundang agreed. He left his mother alone, and years later, Malingkundang became rich and had a beautiful wife. And when Malingkundang sailed, his ship landed in a small village, and the residents recognized Malingkundang, and his mother ran to meet Malingkundang. His mother wanted to hug him, but Malingkundang didn't even acknowledge his mother and insulted him. His mother was angry and cursed him to stone if he didn't apologize. However, Malingkundang and went sailing. Suddenly, a storm came and destroyed Malingkundang's ship. He was thrown out of the ship, and he fell on a small island and sudah, ma'am.
Ya, oke, Mbak. Namanya Mbak Salma siapa, Mbak?
Salma Khairul Nisa, ma'am.
Next, Mbak Stifalda.
Okay, Mom. I'm sorry, I have just finished taken a bath last time.
Oke.
Okay. Long time ago, in the small village in West Sumatra, there lived a man named Malingkundang and his mother. Malingkundang was very diligent, healthy, and strong. He usually catch the fish in the sea and gave it to his mother, or sold the fish in the town. One day, when Malingkundang was sailing, he saw a merchant's ship was attacked by the small band of pirates. Malingkundang helped the merchant, and the merchant thanked to him and asked Malin to sail with him to get a better life. Malingkundang agreed, and he left his mother alone. Many years passed. Malingkundang became a very rich person, and he had a beautiful wife too. When Malin was sailing on his journey, his ship landed near the small village. The villagers recognized him and told to his mother that Malingkundang came to the village. An old woman ran to the beach to meet Malingkundang, but unfortunately, Malingkundang didn't want to meet his mother. Malin said that he never had a mother like her. Full of sadness and angriness, she cursed Malingkundang and turned him into a stone if he didn't want to apologize. Malingkundang laughed, but finally, a thunderstorm came and Malin was thrown out of the ship by the breeze, and suddenly Malin Kundang turned into a stone. Thank you, Mom.
Yes.
Halo sayang.
Siapa lagi ini? Will be
I
the
want
next
to read
one.
ma'am.
Siapa? Can you speak loudly?
Agnes.
Akles.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Akles is a man or woman? Male or female?
A woman. A female.
Yes, Akles. Akles.
The myth of Malin Kundang. A long time ago.
Turn on your camera, please.
Ini sudah di turn on.
Sudah. Mana kok nggak ada? Nggak kelihatan.
Iya kah?
Iya, nggak ada. Namanya siapa?
Agnes Melanie.
Agnes Melani. Nggak ada di sini. Oh, udah on.
Yes, ma'am. The myth of Malin Kundang. A long time ago, in a small village.
Don't read the file, jangan baca filenya. Don't read the file. Baca kan tadi.
Oh,
Retell by your own words.
yes, Malin Kundang. A long time ago, in a small village near the beach, there lived Malin Kundang and his mother. Malin Kundang is healthy, diligent, and strong boy. He usually went to sea to catch fish. And one day, when Malin Kundang was sailing, he saw a merchant ship which was being raided by a small band of pirates. He helped the merchant with his breath and power. And then Malin Kundang defeated the pirates. The merchant, thanks to Malin Kundang, and asked Malin Kundang to sail with him. And then Malin Kundang agreed, and he left his mother alone. Many years later, Malin Kundang became a wealthy. He had a huge ship and was helped by many ship crews loading, trading goods. And then he had a beautiful wife too. When he was sailing the trading journey, his ship landed on a beach near a small village. And then an old woman ran to the beach to meet the new rich merchant. She was Malin Kundang's mother. She wanted to hug him, realize her sadness of being lonely after so long time. Unfortunately, when the mother came, Malin Kundang was in front of his well-dressed wife, and his ship crews denied meeting that old lonely woman. And for 3 times, her mother begged Malin Kundang and he yelled at her. At last, Malin Kundang said to his mother, "Enough, old woman. I have never had a mother like you, a dirty and ugly woman." And he would leave the old mother again, but in that time, the mother was full of sadness and angriness. Finally, she cursed Malin Kundang that he would turn into a stone if he didn't apologize. Malin Kundang just left and really set sail. Suddenly, the thunderstorm came. His huge ship was wrecked, and it was too late for Malin Kundang to apologize. He was thrown by the wave out of the ship. He fell on a small island. It was really too late for him to avoid his curse. Suddenly, Malin Kundang turned into a stone. Finish. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Next, who will be the first turn? Next turn.
Yeah, ma'am.
Siapa?
Lia.
Lia Kamilatun itu.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Ya, please, Mbak Lia.
Okay.
At home? Do you at home today?
Yes.
Please, Mbak.
Once upon a time, there was a single-parent woman who had a son. They lived near the beach in the West Sumatra. They lived in poverty. Malin Kundang catch 4 fish in the beach and then he gives it to his mother or sells it to the city. One day, while he was fishing in the beach, he met a merchant who was being robbed by pirates. Malin Kundang helped the merchant and Malin Kundang was invited to sail, and he agreed. He left his mother alone. Long story short, after a few years, Malin Kundang turned into a rich man and had big ships, and he has a beautiful wife. Until one day, he settled in a small village that was not foreign to him. The villagers recognized him. His mother also heard the news that Malin Kundang was in the village. When his mother approached Malin Kundang, it was a pity that Malin Kundang didn't recognize his own mother because he was ashamed of his wife and everyone. His mother was angry with Malin Kundang and he cursed him to be stoned. Finally, a rainstorm poured down the area and Malin Kundang and his ship turned to stone. Finish, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next.
Mom.
Who will be the next one? Your name, please.
Retno Ayuning Tias, ma'am.
Ya, Mbak Retno, please.
Yes. The myth of Malin Kundang. Once upon a time in a small village.
Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera, please.
The myth of Malin Kundang. Once upon a time, in a small village near the coast in West Sumatra, long lived Malin Kundang and his mother. Malin Kundang father has died, and now he and his
mother. Jangan baca ya, itu baca kan itu.
No, Mom.
Coba menghadap ke saya.
Yes.
Lihat saya. Okay.
Once upon a time, in a small village near the coast in West Sumatra, long lived Malin Kundang and his mother. Malin Kundang father has died, and now he and his mother are living hard in the village. Malin Kundang is a healthy, diligent, and strong child. He usually goes to the sea to catch fish and then sell the fish he catches to the city. One day, Malin Kundang helped a merchant who was being raided by a group of pirates. Malin Kundang managed to defeat the pirates. The merchant was very grateful to him. In return, the merchant asked Malin Kundang to sail with him. Malin Kundang left his mother to get a better life. Years later, Malin Kundang became rich. He had a big ship and a beautiful wife. However, because of his wealth, Malin Kundang became arrogant. He forgot his mother. Malin Kundang did not want to admit that the old woman who wants to see him was his mother. His mother was then angry and cursed Malin Kundang to stone. It was too late for him to escape his curse. Malin Kundang turned to stone. Finish, ma'am.
Your name Retno?
What's ma'am?
Your name is Retno Ayuning Tias?
Yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mbak, sorry. Olivia Berlianti, please. Mbak Olivia,
Yes, ma'am.
share kamera.
A long time ago, in a village near beach in West Sumatra, Malin Kundang lived with her mother. Her mother is single parent because Malin Kundang father passed away when he was baby. Malin Kundang is a diligent boy. He usually went to sea to catch a fish. One day, when Malin Kundang catch fish, he saw a merchant was being raided by a small band of pirates. He helped the merchant. The merchant was so happy and thanked to him for the thanks. The merchant asked Malin Kundang to sail with him. To get a better life, Malin Kundang agreed and left his mother alone. Few years later, Malin Kundang became rich. He had a huge ship and he had a many crew. And also he had a beautiful wife. When he was sailing and he landed on a beach near a small village. The village know him. And the village tell the Malin Kundang mothers, and Malin Kundang mothers want to hug him. Unfortunately, when the mother came, Malin Kundang, who was in the front of his well-dressed wife and ship, didn't want to recognize that the old woman is his mother. After he ordered his crew to set the sail, he would leave his mother again. But the Malin Kundang mother is cursed Malin Kundang and he will turn into a snow if he didn't apologize. In the quiet sea, suddenly a thunderstorm came and the huge ship was wrecked and Malin Kundang turned into a stone. Finish, ma'am.
Ya, oke, Mbak. Next, selanjutnya, yang belum, who haven't retold the story about Malin Kundang,
Me, ma'am.
Turn on camera, please. Turn on your camera, please.
The Might of Malin Kundang. A long time ago, near the beach in West Sumatra, lived Malin Kundang and his mom. His mom is a single parent because his dad passed away when he's a baby. Malin Kundang was a healthy and diligent and strong boy. He catch a fish and he sell it to the town. One day he saw a merchant ship, and he helped the merchant, and merchant feels so happy and thank to him. The merchant said to Malin Kundang to sell with him, and the merchant said to get a better life, so Malin Kundang agreed with it, and he left his mother alone. One day, many years later, Malin Kundang become into a rich man, and he have a beautiful wife. He have a good life, and he have many soldiers for him. And one day he come to a small village, and the village recognize him. The news when he came, it ran fast in the town. An old woman ran to the beach, and he see that the rich man is a Malin Kundang. She want to hug him because she's really miss her son, but Malin Kundang met to she, and he said that enough of women. I never have a mom like you, ugly and dirty women. So the Malin Kundang mom is mad to him, and she need the Malin Kundang is give a apologize to she, but Malin Kundang not give the apologize. The mom said, when you not give the apologize to me, I can turn you into stone. But the Malin Kundang is just loud, and in a quiet sea, Malin Kundang really late to give apologize, so his mom turned him into stone. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Your complete name is
Alicia Anel.
Alicia Anel.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Okay, I would like to ask you about your senior high school. When was you graduated from? Where did you graduate from? Sorry, Mbak Ica. Halo.
Iya, ma'am.
Lulus dari mana? SMA-nya sini, Kudus sini.
Ya, SMA-nya di Kudus, ma'am.
Oh,
SMA Masehi.
Oh iya iya. 9 alif. Yang belum siapa yang belum ini? Vivalda sama Mbak Era, Mbak Husna Hanifa, Mbak Linda, Maya Seviani, Widya Lilis, Nisa Ulfatun, halo, Matika. Ayo, who will be the next one?
Me, Era. I want to try to retell. Can you hear my voice, Mom?
Ya, I
Yeah.
can.
Yes. I want to retell of the story of Malin Kundang. A long time ago, there lived a mother and her son named Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang was very healthy boy. They lived a very poor and very hard, but Malin Kundang always catch a fish to the sea to give it to his mother. One day, when he was sailing, he saw a merchant was attacked by a pirate with a brave and power. Malin Kundang Malin Kundang helped the merchant and fighter to the pirates, and he was win. The merchant was very happy and want to thank him. The merchant asked Malin Kundang to sail with him to get better life. So Malin Kundang was agree and he left a mother alone. After years later, Malin Kundang became a rich merchant and he also has a beautiful wife. One day when he was sailing his trading journey, his ship landed on the beach near a small village. The villagers know him and the villagers tell to his mother. His mother is very happy and his mother around her son. But after that, Malin Kundang want to see his mother because his mother is very dirty and ugly woman. When his mother hear the Malin Kundang want to see her, his mother very angry and the thunderstorm and Malin Kundang was very loud because he want to apologize for him become a stone. Now, Mom, finally finish.
Ya, oke. Mbak Ira Amanda. Next.
Me,
Will be
Mom.
the- Me. Your name, please.
Linda Natalia.
Mbak Linda. Di
Ya.
rumah, masih di rumah ini.
Apa, Mom?
Masih di rumah ini. Atau di kampus?
Sudah di kampus, Mom.
Di kampus. Oke, please.
Iya, karena rumahnya jauh jadi pergi dulu.
Jam berapa? Dari rumahmu mana? Where do you live?
Gimana, Mom?
Tinggal di mana?
Oh,
Kudus.
ini Mom. Pati.
Oh, Pati. Oke,
Pati.
please. Ya, oke, please, Mbak.
The myth of Malin Kundang. Once upon a time, in a small village in West Sumatra, there lived a widow and her son named Malin Kundang. He usually goes to sea to catch fish. After getting the fish, he would take to his mother and sell in the city. One day, when Malin Kundang was sailing, he saw merchant ship being raided by a small. He helped the merchant and defeat the pirates. The merchant very happy and returned Malin Kundang to sail with him. Malin Kundang agreed and he left his mother alone. Years later, Malin Kundang became rich and had a beautiful wife too.
While he was sailing on his trading voyage, his ship landed on a beach near a small village. The villagers recognized Malin Kundang. The news spread fast in the city. An old woman, Malin Kundang's mother, met a person who turned out to be her son. He wanted to hug her, let go of his sadness of being lonely after so long. Unfortunately, when the mother came, Malin Kundang was in front of his wife. He denied and did not acknowledge his mother. After that, he ordered his men to sail. She was about to leave the old mother again, but at the moment she was full of sorrow and anger. The mother cursed Malin Kundang that he would turn to stone if he did not apologize. Malin Kundang just laughed and he left. Suddenly, a storm came. The big ship was destroyed, and it was too late for Malin Kundang to apologize. Malin Kundang fell on a small island. Suddenly, he turned to stone. Finish, Mom.
Okay, Linda Natalia. Next.
Yeah.
Next.
Me, ma'am.
Ya, siapa?
Husna Hanifah.
Please, Mbak Husna.
Okay. The myth of Malin Kundang. Once upon a time, in the near beach in West Sumatra, there lived a mother and her son Malin Kundang. Her mother was a single parent because Malin Kundang's father had passed away when he was a baby. Malin Kundang was a healthy, diligent, and strong boy. He usually went to sea to catch fish and would bring to his mother or sold in the town. One day, he saw a merchant's ship which was being raided by a small band of pirates. He helped the merchant, and the merchant was so happy. In return, the merchant asked Malin Kundang to sail with him. Malin Kundang agreed and he left his mother alone. Many years later, Malin Kundang became wealthy. He had a huge ship and he had a beautiful wife. When he was sailing his trading journey, his ship landed on a beach near a small village. The villagers recognized him. An old woman ran to the beach to meet the new rich merchant. She was Malin Kundang's mother. Unfortunately, when the mother came, Malin Kundang, who was in front of his well-dressed wife and his ship crew, denied meeting that old lonely woman. Malin Kundang said that he never had a mother like her. After that, he would leave the old mother, but in that way, in the time, she was full of both sadness and angriness. Finally, the mother cursed Malin Kundang that he would turn into a stone if he didn't apologize. Suddenly, a thunderstorm came. His huge ship was wrecked and he was thrown by the wave out of his ship. He fell on a small island and suddenly he turned into a stone. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Siapa selanjutnya? Yang belum? Sorry. So. Mbak Maya Seviani, Mbak Widya, Mbak Lilis, Mbak Yulfa, Mbak Fatika, Mbak Olin, Mbak Nisa Ulfa. Ini Mbak Maya Seviani.
I will start, ma'am.
On your camera, please. On.
Sudah.
Please.
Sudah, ma'am.
Ya, oke. Sekarang.
Once upon a time, in a small village near the coast in the west.
In the West Sumatra, there lived Malin Kundang with his mother. Malin Kundang had to live hard with his mother every day.
Kameranya on ya, kameranya on. Ini mati lagi.
Sudah, ma'am.
Ini yang mati lagi.
Sudah.
Dah,
Sudah, ma'am.
udah on. Oh, lagi mati lagi. Kenapa kameramu hang, Mbak?
Oh, I don't know, ma'am.
Tadi bisa, terus ini hilang, nggak kelihatan.
Sinyalnya mungkin, ma'am.
Iya. Kalau nggak kelihatan kameranya kan gimana, Mbak? Nggak tahu ini baca apa enggak. I don't know whether you read the text or not.
Bentar, ma'am.
Yes.
Sudah, ma'am.
Mana? Udah, ini udah kelihatan.
I will start, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Once upon a time, in a small village near the beach in West Sumatra, there lived a Malin Kundang with his mother. Malin Kundang had to live with his mother because his father is passed away when he was a baby. Every day, Malin Kundang had to catch a fish in the sea. One day, Malin Kundang, when he was sailing, he saw a merchant that was being raided by a small group of pirates. He helped them, and the merchant sang to him and asked him to go with him for a better life. However, Malin Kundang left his mother alone. Years later, Malin Kundang became rich and he had a lot of wealthy, and he has a beautiful wife. While he was sailing, he landed in a small village that turned out his former village. They recognized Malin Kundang. Hearing that, Malin Kundang's mother ran to the beach to meet him. But when she got to the beach, Malin Kundang didn't admit that the old woman is her mother. His mother. His mother became sad and angry, and she said she will curse to him to the stone if he didn't apologize. Malin Kundang just laughed and walked away. Suddenly, in the middle of the sea, the storm came, and the ship was destroyed, and Malin Kundang thrown into the sea. He fell on a small island, and suddenly he turned into the stone. Finished. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Mbak Husna Hanifah, please. Mbak Husna Hanifah.
Saya sudah, ma'am.
Sudah ya, Husna. Oh iya ya, kamu tadi ya. Siapa nih?
Ini, ma'am.
Siapa? Who will be the next?
Ya.
Ya, please. Turn on your camera. Mbak Widya.
Yes, ma'am. Once upon a time, near the beach in West Sumatra, there lived a woman and her son who called Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang had to live hard with his mother, and Malin Kundang grew up as a healthy, diligent, and strong boy. He usually went to sea to catch fish. One day, when Malin Kundang was sailing, he saw a merchant ship which was being raided by a small band of pirates. Malin Kundang helped the merchant and defeated the pirates. The merchant was thanked to him and asked Malin Kundang to sail with him. Malin Kundang agreed and left his mother alone. After several years had gone by, Malin Kundang became wealthy and he had a beautiful wife. When he was sailing, his ship landed on a beach near a small village. After hearing the news that Malin Kundang was come back, Malin Kundang's mother ran to him and she wanted to hug him. However, Malin Kundang didn't admit that the old woman was his mother. She was full of both sadness and annoyance, and she cursed Malin Kundang that he would turn into a stone if he didn't apologize. Malin Kundang just laughed and really set sail. In the quiet sea, suddenly a thunderstorm came. His huge ship was wrecked, and it was too late for Malin Kundang to apologize. He was thrown by the wave out of his ship. He fell on a small island. It was really too late for him to avoid his curse. Suddenly, he turned into a stone. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Next. Next turn, please.
Me, ma'am.
Mbak Lilis, please.
The myth of Malin Kundang. Long time ago, there lived a woman and her son named Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang was a healthy, diligent, and strong boy. One day, Malin Kundang was sailing. He saw a merchant ship which was being raided by a small band of pirates. Then Malin Kundang helped the merchant and he defeated the pirates. The merchant was so happy and thanks to him. After that, the merchant asked Malin Kundang to sail with him and Malin Kundang agreed, and he left his mother alone. Many years later, Malin Kundang became wealthy and he had a beautiful wife. When he was sailing his trading journey, his ship landed on a beach in a small village. An old woman ran to the beach to meet the new merchant. She saw her son and she wants to hug him, but Malin Kundang rejected it. Malin said that I have not a mother like you, a dirty and ugly woman. After that, he left his mother alone. And finally, his mother cursed Malin Kundang into a stone if he didn't apologize. Malin Kundang just laughed. Suddenly, a thunderstorm came and he turned into a stone. Finish, ma'am.
Ya, oke. Lilis siapa, Mbak, namanya? Lilis siapa, Mbak?
Lilis Dwi Permatasari.
Jadi nanti kelasnya Bamba jam berapa?
Jam
Kelasnya jam setengah 2. Oke. Oke, next. Yang belum? Ayo yang belum siapa? Ira udah. Ije. Zulfa sudah belum? Have you retold the story about Zulfa?
Yes, ma'am.
Mbak Nisa Ulfatun ya belum ya? Iya, Mbak Zulfa or Mbak Nisa Ulfatun, Mbak Fatika also. Kan belum.
Me, ma'am.
Please.
Once upon a time, in a small village in West Sumatra, lived a woman and her only son. The woman, a single parent, and her son, Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang, a diligent boy. He usually went to sea and went to the market to sell his catch fish. One day, a merchant tried by bread. Malin Kundang helped the merchant and managed to save him. Several years, Malin Kundang became rich and married a beautiful wife. One day, Malin Kundang stopped at a small beach. Suddenly, a woman ran to him. She is Malin Kundang's mother, but Malin Kundang didn't even admit it and shot at him to leave. His mother, angry, hurt him with a stone cart. Instantly, he turned into stone. Punishment.
Next.
Me, ma'am. Fatihah, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Mbak Fatika.
The myth of Malin Kundang. A long time ago in the West Sumatra, in the small village near beach, there lived a woman and Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang and her mother lived alone because Malin Kundang's father passed away. Malin Kundang was a diligent, healthy, and intelligent man. He used to live in fishing in the beach, and then he bought the fish into her mother or selling into the town. One day, Malin Kundang saw a merchant ship which is being raided by pirates, and he helped the merchant. The merchant was so happy and wanted to Malin Kundang join in his ship. Many years later, Malin Kundang became a rich man, and he had a big ship. He had a beautiful wife, and then he was arrogant. When she landed on the village in the West Sumatra, many people wanted to meet him, and when his mother came, Malin Kundang was arrogant and didn't want to meet his mother. His mother didn't apologize.
Ayo, Mbak. Kamu mati. Mbak Fatika. Mbak Fatika. Mbak Fatika. Mbak Fatika kenapa ya? Sinyalnya gimana? Please, Mbak, continue.
Sorry, Mom. Saya lanjutin lagi ya, Mom.
Ya, tadi sinyal ya?
Ini laptop saya mati, Mom.
Oh, oke.
Ini pakai HP.
Oke.
Okay. When his mother came, Malin Kundang was arrogant and didn't want to hug his mother. His mother didn't apologize and cursed him into a stone. Suddenly, in the quiet sea, thunderstorm came, so it's that time that it was too late for Malin Kundang apologies to her mother, and suddenly he turned into a stone in the small island. Finish, Mom.
Oke. Nah, Fatika siapa, Mbak?
Fatihah Izzatil Fitriyah.
Oke. Sudah semuanya. Mbak Fatika, Zulfa, Lili sudah. Lydia, Era, Ica, Olivia, Tias, Mbak Lia, Mbak Salma, Mbak Stifalda, Mbak Agnes, Mbak Nisa Ulfatun sudah ya? Nisa Ulfatun belum ya? Oke, please Mbak Nisa Ulfatun.
Yes, ma'am. Once upon a time, there was Malin Kundang with her mother. Malin Kundang was a healthy, diligent, and strong boy. He usually went to sea to catch fish. After getting fish, he would bring it to his mother, or sold the caught fish in the town. One day, when Malin Kundang was sailing, he saw a merchant ship, which was being raided by a small band of pirates. He helped the merchants. With his brave and power, Malin Kundang defeated the pirates. The merchants were so happy and thanked to him. In return, the merchants asked Malin Kundang to sail with him to get a better life. Malin Kundang agreed. He left his mother alone. Many years later, Malin Kundang became wealthy. He had a huge ship and was helped by many shipwrights loading trading goods.
Kameranya on, Mbak.
Yes,
Turn
ma'am.
on kamera.
Perfectly, he had a beautiful wife too. When he was sailing his trading journey, his ship landed on a beach near a small village. An old woman ran to the beach to meet the new rich merchant. She was Malin Kundang's mother. She wanted to hug him, release her sadness of being lonely after so long time. Unfortunately, when the mother came, Malin Kundang was in front of his well-dressed wife, and his of course didn't meeting that old lonely woman. For 3 times, her mother begged Malin Kundang, and for 3 times he yelled at her. At last, Malin Kundang said to her, "Enough, old woman. I have never had a mother like you, a dirty and ugly woman." After that, he ordered his course to set sail. He would live to the old mother again, but in that time, she was full of both sadness and angriness. Finally, enraged, she cursed Malin Kundang that he would turn into a stone if he didn't apologize. Malin Kundang just laughed and released the sun. In the cold sea, suddenly a thunderstorm came. His ship was hurt, and it was too late for Malin Kundang to apologize. He was thrown by the wave out of his ship. He fell on a small island. It was really too late for him to avoid his course. Suddenly, he turned into a stone. Enough, Mom.
Ya, oke. Sudah semua ya? Oke. 12. Jadwalnya sampai jam berapa ini? 12.50. Waduh. Kurang 3 menit ya. Okay, I think that's all for the meeting today. Thank you for your participation. Don't forget to fulfill your attendance in Sunan ya. Jangan lupa presensi di Sunan. Please, ini the recording will be uploaded in YouTube for your own class, intensive reading C. Thank you. See you for upcoming occasion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, saya You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you're welcome. Saya live ya.